and the rapidly evolving landscape of Abu Dhabi's construction industry, building information modeling BIM consultants play a pivotal role in shaping the Emirates skyline. Among the leading firms in this domain, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a beacon of innovation and expertise. This forward-thinking company has successfully carved a niche for itself in the competitive Abu Dhabi market, offering cutting-edge BIM solutions that revolutionize the way buildings are designed, constructed, and managed. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd brings a wealth of experience to the table, leveraging state-of-the-art technology and a team of highly skilled professionals to deliver unparalleled BIM consulting services. Their comprehensive approach encompasses every stage of the construction lifecycle, from initial concept development to final project delivery and beyond. By utilizing advanced 3D modeling techniques, SCON Design enables clients to visualize their projects with unprecedented clarity, facilitating better decision-making and reducing costly errors during the construction phase. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India Pvt Ltd lies in its ability to seamlessly integrate BIM technology with traditional architectural and engineering practices. This holistic approach not only enhances project efficiency but also promotes collaboration among various stakeholders, including architects, engineers, contractors, and facility managers. By fostering a more cohesive working environment, SCON Design helps streamline communication and minimize conflicts, ultimately leading to smoother project execution and improved outcomes. In the context of Abu Dhabi's ambitious urban development plans, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has positioned itself as an indispensable partner for both public and private sector projects. The company's expertise extends to a wide range of building types, including residential complexes, commercial towers, healthcare facilities, and large-scale infrastructure projects. This versatility, coupled with their deep understanding of local building codes and regulations, makes SCON Design a go-to choice for developers and contractors seeking to navigate the complexities of the Abu Dhabi construction landscape. One of the most significant contributions of SCON Design India Pvt Ltd to the Abu Dhabi construction industry is its commitment to sustainability. By leveraging BIM technology, the company helps clients optimize building performance, reduce energy consumption, and minimize environmental